Welcome to our latest tutorial on enhancing your WhatsApp messaging experience. Today, we're going to explore how to add bullets to your WhatsApp messages, making them more organized and visually appealing. This feature is especially useful when you need to list items or provide multiple points in a single message. First, let's get started by opening the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to send your message. This could be a personal chat with a friend or a group conversation. Now let's dive into the main part of our tutorial, adding bullets. WhatsApp allows you to create bullet points using two simple methods. You can either use an asterisk or a hyphen followed by a space before each item you want to list. For example, if you're planning a shopping list, you could type apples, bananas, or carrots, oranges. Both methods will create a neat bullet point effect. To add more items to your list, simply type the asterisk or hyphen, followed by a space, and then your text. When you press Enter, you'll move to the next line, where you can add another item using the same method. This makes it easy to create a long list of items without cluttering your message. Using bullet points in WhatsApp not only helps you organize your thoughts, but also makes your messages clearer and easier to read. Whether you're sharing a to-do list with a colleague or suggesting a list of movies to watch with friends, this feature is incredibly useful. In conclusion, adding bullets to your WhatsApp messages is a straightforward process that can significantly enhance your communication. By using asterisks or hyphens followed by a space, you can create neat and organized lists that make your messages stand out. Try it out today and see how it can improve your messaging experience. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tips and tricks on using WhatsApp and other apps more effectively.